So guys, we have arrived in our hotel and यहाँ पे hotels early check-in दे देते हैं. हमारा check-in time 2 PM था और हमने 9 बजे check-in कर लिया. And our hotel is actually situated at a very nice place. Everything is nearby. He told us that the location of this hotel is very nice. Hotel boss. And we have reached and let me give you a room tour. Room तो बहुत छोटा सा है, but the location is very nice. Let me show you. So the first thing I want to show you is the view. So there's no balcony in this, but the view. I can see the Singapore flyer and this is the mosque down there and the view is amazing. और इसके पास ही you can see there's another mosque there and the Singapore flyer that side. So location of this hotel is very good and there's a swimming pool down there. चलिए रूम दिखाती हूँ आपको. As you enter, on the left you have this washroom. So the washroom is quite small but okay, very neat. And then we have 3 beds. One is a queen bed and the other one is a single bed. And the best part of this room is the view. We have a work desk and a small refrigerator and the hangers there because there's no cupboard here. And a TV, a tea coffee station and a huge mirror here to get dressed. And यहाँ पे आप कुछ hang कर सकते हो अपने clothes. That's it. रूम शुरू होते ही ख़त्म हो जाता है बट एक्चुअली मुझे तो इसका व्यू भी अच्छा लगा और इसकी लोकेशन सबसे अच्छी लगी क्योंकि मतलब अगर लोकेशन ठीक ना हो तो आप अकेले घूम भी नहीं सकते हो. एंड दिस टाइम सिंस वी आर ऑल अलोन एंड वी आर डूइंग दिस ट्रिप ऑल अलोन, सो दिस लोकेशन एक्चुअली सूट्स अस. तो बेसिकली हमें एक अच्छी लोकेशन पे होटल चाहिए था एंड वी वर नॉट बॉदर्ड बाय द साइज ऑफ द रूम. Since it's in the middle of the city, it's very easy to move around. यहाँ से मेट्रो भी बहुत पास है, बसेस तो सामने से चलती हैं, cabs भी, and the hotel also gets you a cab if you want them, and all are metered, so you know according to the meter it runs. So the best part I liked about this place is that these people actually don't cheat you. They get you proper taxi drivers and they don't even charge you a little extra for anything. चलिए आपको नीचे होटल दिखा के आती हूँ. स्विमिंग पूल. एक्चुअली वी डिडंट गेट टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर द होटल, तो अब हम नीचे जाके होटल एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. This is the gym and this is the swimming pool. So the swimming pool is at the 4th floor and this looks so pretty. As if there's a garden on the top. And there's a lot of sitting space here. You can just sit and do your work in the shade or you can get something from the restaurant and sit here. And they also have a children's play area ahead. And all of this is on 4th floor and our room is on 8th floor. So this is the play area for kids Kids can come and play here. So a lot of open space, even though it's in the middle of the city. So they have a restaurant here, and this is the Jubilicious restaurant. You don't have Indian spread? So this is the buffet breakfast. So the breakfast was continental, and there is an Indian restaurant on in the lobby floor. So Prasanna Hotel. So you can have Indian food there, which costs around $16. Here the breakfast is around $12. Just behind the Boss Hotel, you can see यहाँ पे there's a water body, and those are the other high-rise buildings. And इसके पास walking track भी है, like people, I see them walking early in the morning. So Singapore is a very well organized city. So guys, बहुत ही सुंदर है सिंगापुर. बहुत कम टाइम है हमारे पास. I would suggest if you come, please do come for a week, then only you'll be able to see everything. एंड हमने काफ़ी कुछ देख लिया है. आज बहुत सारे प्लान्स है, बट हमें जैसे होटल में अपना फ्री टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. पूरा दिन हम घूम रहे हैं, एंड देन वी गेट टायर्ड एंड स्लीप ऑफ. सो ये सोच के आप अपने प्लान करिएगा आइटिनरी, कि अगर आपको थोड़ा होटल में फ्री टाइम चाहिए एंजॉय रिलैक्स करने के लिए, देन आई थिंक यू नीड 7 days, or else you'll be just roaming around. So this hotel is surrounded by tall rise buildings. यहाँ पे एक मसाज चेयर भी है, देखो. So this is rest station. You can massage. This is for 8 minutes, 20 minutes and 40 minutes duration. You do have to pay for this. You pay and use this. So now let's go to the lobby area. I'll show you the Indian restaurant. So this is the lobby area. We have ice cream menu here, and you also have a Indian restaurant here. So this is the Indian restaurant. Sambar. No, this is South Indian style chicken curry. Sambar. Sabji. This is baked beans. Scrambled eggs. Restaurant is called Papa San 17.
Okay.
Bye bye. I will come for lunch. So this is how the lobby looks. So I hope you enjoyed this small tour of Hotel Boss, where I stayed during my travel to Singapore in July 2022. And I also hope that my vlogs are helpful to people who will be traveling to Singapore in future. So till we meet again, keep enjoying life, stay safe, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share.